Hi, I'm Julius, an Application Engineering Manager here at Lattice. Welcome to our MPEST demo, a modularized peripheral sideband tunneling interface. This is a single wire communication protocol developed by OCP or Open Compute Project. MPEST enables early peripheral presence detection and sideband communication between system components, making it ideal for modularized data center hardware. As an OCP solution provider, we are showcasing here our MPEST Initiator IP, which is fully interoperable with various MPEST targets, including Nuvoton and Renaissance microcontroller. In this demo, you will see that both Renaissance and Nuvoton riser card were successfully identified with their payload information displayed. Following the discovery, the baseboard management controller can initiate a virtual wire exchange between the motherboard and the target device, enabling a seamless communication. We are also introducing here our NFEST fan-out solution, a configuration that allows a single initiator to communicate with multiple targets across branch or distributed topology. This is especially valuable in modular design, where host processor module needs to interact with different peripheral connected like a riser, interposer, or other cabling structure. In this setup, we have a two riser card here, which is a Nuvoton that is connected with a single wire MPEST wire. Our fan-out controller here is reside in the ICE40 Ultra Plus board. This setup doesn't require an external MUX, thus reducing the BOM complexity and BOM costs. This is a turnkey solution, simplifying the integration for the ODM by eliminating the need for custom fan-out controller development. Maintain full interoperability with different target devices like Nuvoton and Renaissance.